Wow guys, look at this. The basket is the full. Welcome guys, another video. Hey hey. Oh guys, have a look. My basket. This is my basket. Very nice. Wow guys, have a look. This is gun. Very nice gun. Black color and yellow color combination gun. Wow. Very nice look. Okay guys, I put in my basket. Wow guys, have a look. This is McQueen racing car. Very nice McQueen racing car guys. Wow. Red color combination. Okay, I put in my basket. Wow guys, have a look. Wow, this is fully Jeep car. White color and black color combination, four-wheeler fully Jeep car. Very nice look. Okay, I put in my basket. Wow guys, have a look. Wow, this is racing car guys. Very nice racing car. Yellow color and black color combination. Four-wheeler racing car. Okay guys, I put in my basket. Wow guys. Wow. Look guys. Wow. This is Excavator guys. Very nice Excavator, yellow color and black color combination. Excavator. Okay guys, I put in my basket. Wow guys, have a look. This is auto rickshaw guys. Pink color and white color combination auto rickshaw. Very nice look auto rickshaw. Okay, I put in my basket. Wow guys, have a look guys. Wow guys, this is racing car. Yellow color combination racing car. Very nice look, four-wheeler racing car. Wow. Okay, I put in my basket. Wow guys, look at this. The basket is the full. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please my channel, subscribe and share. Bye bye guys.